ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदं। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धं सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अल्पाक्षरमसन्दिग्धं सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
तिप्तस्थि
तिप्तस्थि
सिप्तस्थ
सिप्तस्थ
विप्पस्मस्
मिप्पस्मस्
त आतां च
त आतां झ
खास् आथां ध्वम्
थास् आथां ध्वम्
इट् वहि मगिङ्
इट् वहि महिं
तीतः अन्ति
तीतः अन्ते
सीतः थ
सेतः थ
मी वह मह
मी वह मह
ते इते अन्ते
ते अन्ते
से इथे द्वे
से इथे द्वे
ये महे महे
ये वहे महे
भवति भवतः भवन्ति
भवति भवतः भवन्ति
भवसि भवतः भवथ
भवसि भवतः भवथ
भवामि भवामः भवामः
भवामि भवावः भवामः
लभते लभेते लभन्ते
लभते लभेते लभन्ते
लभसे लभेते लभद्वे
लभसे लभेते लभद्वे
लभे लभावहे लभामहे
लभे लभावहे लभामहे
करोति कुरुतः कुर्वन्ति
करोति कुरुतः कुर्वन्ति
करोषि कुरुतः कुरुथ
करोषि कुरुतः
करोमि कुर्वः कुर्मः
करोमि कुर्वः कुर्मः
कुरुते कुर्वाते कुर्वते
कुरुते कुर्वाते कुर्वते
कुरुषे कुर्वाते कुरुद्वे
कुरुषे कुर्वाते कुरुद्वे
कुर्वहे कुर्महे
कुर्वे कुर्वहे कुर्महे
तकारातामन्
करताम् अन्
सकारातं थ
सकरतं त
सकरतं त
अम्बम
अम्बम
आमन्त
त इताम् अन्त
okay, itam you can say 1 4 6 10 therefore itam is better taha yatham dvam
ताः इथां ध्वम्
ivahi
ईमहि
अभवत् अभवताम् अभवन्
अभवत् अभवताम् अभवन्
अभवः अभवतम् अभवत
अभवः अभवतम् अभवत
अभवम् अभवाव अभवाम
अभवम् अभवाव अभवाम
अलभत अलभेताम् अलभन्त
अलभत अलभेताम् अलभन्त
अलभथाः अलभेताम् अलभध्वम्
अलभताः अलभेथाम् अलभध्वम्
अलभे अलभावहि अलभामहि
अलभे अलभावहि अलभामहि
अकरोत् अकुरुताम् अकुर्वन्
अकरोत् अकुरुताम् अकुर्वन्
अकरोः अकुरुतम् अकुरुत
अकरोः अकुरुतम् अकुरुत
अकरवम् अकुर्व अकुर्म
अकरवम् अकुर्व अकुर्म
अकुरुत अकुर्वाताम् अकुर्वत
अकुरुत अकुर्वाताम् अकुर्वत
अकुरुथाः अकुर्वाथाम् अकुरुध्वम्
अकुरुथाः अकुर्वाथाम् अकुरुध्वम्
अकुर्वी अकुर्वहि अकुर्महि
अकुर्वी अकुर्वहि अकुर्महि
अस्ति स्तः सन्ति
अस्थिस्तः सन्ति
असि स्तः स्थ
असिस्तः स्थ
अस्मि स्वः स्मः
अस्मि श्वः स्मः
आसीदास्तामासन्
आसीत् आस्ताम् आसन्
आसीः आस्तम् आस्त
आसीः आस्तम् आस्त
आसम् आस्व आस्म
आसम् आश्व आस्म
तु तावन्तु
तूताम् अन्तु
तं त
तन्त
आनीयाव आव
आनि आव आम
तामितामन्ताम्
ताम् इताम् अन्ताम्
स्वयथां ध्वम्
स्व इथां ध्वम्
अय्यावहै यामहै
आय आवहै आमहै
भवतु भवतां भवन्तु
भवतु भवतां भवन्तु
भव भवतं भवथ
भव भवतं भवत
भवानी भवाव भवाम
भवानि भवाव भवाम
लभ लभतां लभेतां लभन्ताम्
लभतां लभेतां लभन्ताम्
लभस्व लभेतां लभध्वम्
लभस्व लभेतां लभध्वम्
लभै लभावहै लभामहै
लभै लभावहै लभामहे
करोतु कुरुतां कुर्वन्तु
करोतु कुरुतां कुर्वन्तु
कुरु कुरुतं कुरुत
कुरुतं कुरुत
करवाणि करभाव करवाम
करवाणि करवाव करवाम
कुरुतां कुर्वातां कुर्वताम्
कुरुतां कुर्वातां कुर्वताम्
कुरुष्व कुर्वातां कुरुध्वम्
कुरुष्व कुर्वातां कुरुध्वम्
करवै करवावहै करवामहै
करवै करवावहै करवामहे
ईतीताम् ईयुः
ईताम् इयुः
ईहि ईतम् ईत
ईः ईतम् ईत
इयम् ईव ईम
इयम् इव ईम
ईत ईहताम् ईरन्
ईत ईयाताम् ईरन्
ईथाः ईयाथाम् ईध्वम्
ईथाः ईयाथाम् ईध्वम्
ईय ईवहि ईमहि
Ivahi, Imahi.
Bhaved, bhavetam, bhaveyuhu.
Bhaved, Bhavedam, Bhaveyuhu.
Bhaveke, bhavetam, bhaveta.
Bhavehe, Bhavedam, Bhaveda.
Bhaveyam, bhaveva, bhaveva.
Bhaveyam, Bhaveva, Bhavema.
Labheta, labheyatam, labheran.
Labheta, Labheyadam, Labheran.
Labhethaha, labheyatam, labhedvam.
Labhetaha, Labheyadham, Labhedvam.
Labheya, labhe, vahi, labhe, magi.
Labheya, Labhevahi, Labhevahi.
Kuryat, kuryatam, kuryuhu.
Kuryat, Kuryatam, Kuryuhu.
Kuryaha, kuryatum, kuryata.
Kuryaha, Kuryatam, Kuryadam.
Kuryam, kuryava, kuryama.
Kuryam, Kuryava, Kuryama.
Kurvita, kurviyatam, kurviran.
Kurvita, Kurviyatam, Kurviran.
Kurvidhaha, kurviyatam, kurvidvam.
Kurvithaha, Kurviyatam, Kurvidvam.
Kurviya, kurvimahi, kurvimahi.
Kurviya, Kurvivahi, Kurvimahi.
So yesterday saw pratyaha dvividaha bhavanti. Pratipadika siddhye yojyamanaha संयोज्यमानाः प्रत्ययाः एकविधम् द्वितीयविधप्रत्ययाः पदनिष्पत्तये संयोज्यमानाः धातुभ्यः ये प्रत्ययाः ते the subting. In some English it's called formative suffixes, inflection of suffix. Inflection, the word used by Anton, I think. Inflection. Inflected word means padam. The padam which is inflected. Anyway, we don't use those words. So the under first category, we get the pratyaya, krit pratyaya, tatita pratyaya. Krit pratyaya, sayojamanaha pratyayaha, kebhyaha dhatubhyaha, pratipadika siddhahi. Tatita pratyayaha, sayojamanaha pratyayaha, pratipadikebhyaha, pratipadika siddhaye. Understand?
Yes.
Pratipadika siddhaye, in forming the pratipadika, Dhatubhyaha krit pratyayaha yojya manaha sayojya manaha. Right?
Yes.
Pratipadika siddhaye pratipadikebhyaha sayojya manaha pratyayaha tadita pratyayaha. Okay.
Okay.
So tadita pratyaya added to pratipadikam to derive another pratipadikam. Krit pratyaya added to dhatus to derive a pratipadikam. The second category is padanishpatti. In forming a padam. So ye pratyayaha dhatubhya sayojya manaha pratyayaha padanishpattaye te ting pratyayaha. Tip tasji, tip sit tasta, right? Ye pratyayaha pratipadikebhyaha sayojyamanaha bhavanti te supratyaya tena namapadam padanishpattihi namapadam namapadanam nishpattihi bhavati supratyaya te pratyayaha supratyaya. So two categories. So dvitiyaha dvida bhavati sup ting iti. That is why we say sup ting antam padam. Padanishpattaye sup ting pratyayaha bhavanti. Pratipadikebhyaha sup pratyayaha dhatubhyaha ting pratyayaha. Among the pratyayas added to the dhatu now, they can be classified into now ting pratyayas for padanishpatti, krit pratyayas for pratipadika nishpatti. Understand?
Yes.
Both these pratyayas are added to dhatu. One by which we get a padam, other one by which we get a pratipadika. Okay. So tingantam Tingantam, Kriyapadam. Kritantam, Pratipadikam. Okay.
Okay.
Tingantam is Padam. Kritantam is Pratipadikam. That has to be converted to a Padam by adding Suprataya. So you get Subantam, Padam. Now Ting Pratyaha. Ekating Vakyam, already I told yesterday. The Vakya, a sentence, if it has one Kriya Padam, it is a sentence only. It's a sentence must have a Kriya Padam. Even if Kriya Padam is not there, always we supply. Asti, Asti, Vidyate, you know, that being, existence, you cannot remove it. So that is
Yes.
there always we supply. A sentence must have a Kriya Padam. No sentence possible without a Kriya Padam. And Ting Pratyas are added to Dhatu to bring out the Karakarta. Karta, Karma Karakarta, Ting Pratyas are see. Pratyas are added to Dhatu in general to bring out the Karakarta and to bring the Kalartha. What Kala, what Purusha, etc. And Ting Pratyaya added to Dhatu, it brings what? Karta and Karma Karakarta. You'll see what it is. It will bring out the meaning of Karta. Say, suppose if I say Patati. Patati, what do you get? Patati means what? What meaning?
He
So
studies.
Karta is involved. Karta is understood. Saha Karta. That meaning is brought out by the Ting Pratyaya, Patati, right?
Yes.
Karma Karakarta. How Karma Karakarta? To bring out Kartarkarakartam, Karma Karakartam.
Karma Kartam, because we say like Snayate, he takes
No.
bath.
Sorry?
When we use the Admanepadim, it's saying it's taking bath.
Same Patati you take. Same Patati you take.
Okay.
Patati denotes Saha, Ramaha Patati. So Karta is, the Kartarkarakarta is brought out by the Ting Pratyaya, Patati, the Ting Pratyaya. When I say Patyate, then
yes.
What is Patyate?
It's being a study.
No. Patyate.
He make someone's story.
No, not Patyate. No, Patyate.
Patyate is passive
I'll
form.
give an example, you'll understand. Ramaha Geetam Patati.
Okay.
Patati brings out the Kartarkarakarta, Rama. Kaha Patati, Ramaha Patati, the meaning is the Karta, Kartarkaraka is brought out from the Dhatu by the Ting Pratyati. When I say Ramena Geeta Patyate, now Patyate, Te is Atmanepade Pratyaya, Ting Pratyaya, added to the Dhatu, that Dhatu now, what Karakarta brings out from the Dhatu, that Te Pratyaya, Ting Pratyaya. Karma. Karmani Prayoga,
yes.
simple.
Karmani Prayoga, yes.
Right?
Understand.
Same Pat Dhatu being Parasmepadi Dhatu. Right? If
Yes.
it is Parasmepadi, then it does Karta, Atmanepadi, then it does Karma. Simple. So Ting Pratyayas are added to Dhatu only these two Karakarta, Karta and Karma. One is Kartari Prayoga, other one is Karmani Prayoga. Third one is Bhave Prayoga, Bhavartha. What is Bhave Prayoga? Bhavartha means just the meaning of the very Dhatu. Suppose if I say, the same Pat Dhatu you take, Ramena Patyate. What is Ramena Patyate? Patyate, Karmana, it denotes Karma, right? Patyate
Yes.
means that which is read by Rama. What is read by Rama? Ramena Patyate, when I say, I have not told Karma. Karma I didn't mention.
Yes.
I deliberately left out Karma. I don't want to mention Karma. So there, the Patana Kriya is what is highlighted. Reading done by Rama. What he read, that is not the vivaksha of me. So just brings out the dhatu artha, the meaning of the dhatu. Patyate, reading is done. There are some dhatus which cannot take karma. Like for example, tishtati. What is tishtati?
So,
Stand.
Tishtati, stands,
yes.
just stands. Hasati. What is the karma for asana? It's a intransitive verb. It cannot take karma.
Mhm.
Ramaha Gitam Patati. Fine. Ramaha Gitam Asati. No, it's invalid. Ramaha Asati only you can say. Because asana kriya cannot take karma. Right?
Mhm.
I walk and reach the place, karma is possible. I see an object, karma is possible. I laugh, what karma? I fall, what karma? I stand, what karma? I sit, what karma? All these are akarmaka dhatus, cannot take karma. Right? What will be the karmani prayoga of this now? Tishtati or asati or patati, anything you take, patati falls. Ramaha patati. What is the object? Padhatu akarmaka dhatu, cannot take karma. Right? Rama falls from the tree, you can say, Vrikshat Palam Patati, you can say, Vriksha is Adhikarana Karaka, not karma. Understand?
Yes.
Patati, Akarmaka Dhatu cannot take karma. So Patyate, suppose if I say, Patyate, Karmani, now I'm converting that Palam Patati into, I'm changing the now Prayoga. Palam Patati, Patyate. What Patyate? Palena Patyate, you have to say. Falling is done by the fruit. So falling is what is the very action is what is brought out by the pratyaya. Te, patyate. There, karma not there. Karma karakarta, the dhatu cannot bring. Only the falling action. Understand? That's called bhave prayoga. Impersonal passive voice. All these things you have studied. Nanton. Remember?
Yes.
Akarmaka dhatu cannot have karmani prayoga. You cannot make karmani prayoga. Only bhave prayoga. Bhave means what? Just the pure meaning of the dhatu is brought out by the pratyaya, the thing pratyaya, patyate, patyate, not patyate, patyate, falls. Falling is done by Rama. Ramena patyate, you have to say. Ramena patyate. In English, it's very funny. Falling is done by Rama. Laughing is done by Rama. Hasyate. Standing is done by Rama. Stiyate, Ramena stiyate. Understand? So only these three
Yes.
artha, a dhatu, pratyaya can, think pratyaya can bring out from a dhatu. What are the three artha? One is it can bring out the karta. Second one, karma. Third one, pure dhatu artha. The very meaning of the dhatu. Right? That is what I have
Yes.
written here. Or just to bring out the meaning of the dhatu artha, bhava artha, meaning of the dhatu. If tinganta now expresses kartrikarakam, then the sentence is what? Kartari prayoga. Understand?
Yes.
This is we need to understand. If tinganta expresses, denotes karta, you know what does it mean? I will explain. This is not required, but you need to know that now, so that will be easy later. Okay. So important thing. Karmani prayoga we will see in detail later. But you understand that the thing brings out the karta, the meaning of the karta for the dhatu, karma. A little more you need to know. Anyway, I'll try to explain that also. It will take little time. It's okay. You know it, but let me still explain that. I'm just taking a small deviation. Okay. Active voice. You know active voice, passive voice in English.
Yes.
Yes.
What is the word for active voice in Sanskritam? Kartari prayoga
Very
or kartru vachyam. Why it is called a kartari prayoga or kartru vachyam? because
It-
the dhatu at which it ting pratyaya brings out the meaning of, brings out the kartri artha, kartri karaka artha. The ting pratyaya brings out the kartri karaka artha from the dhatu. In other words, you can say the kriya padam denotes karta. Kriya padam
Yes.
expresses or denotes karta. We have a special word for denoting. We'll see what it is. Kriya padam tingantam expresses karta. That's why it's kartri prayoga. If tingantam expresses karma, then it's called karmani prayoga or karma vachya. Now let us understand some simple example. Now Rama goes to the forest, right? Who goes?
Yes.
Rama.
Rama.
Kaha gacchati? Rama goes. Rama goes is a karta, and karta in kartari prayoga will be in pratama vibhakti, therefore Rama gacchati. Karta
Yes.
will be in what vibhakti? In kartari prayoga. Pratama vibhakti, right?
Pratham. Yes.
Okay, where does he go? Kutra gacchati?
Vanam.
He
Vana.
goes to the forest, Vana. Vana is the place of reach. That's what I told you, remember? The place of reach, the destination is considered to be karma. So Vana is karma. Because Vana is karma, it will take what vibhakti? Tvitiya vibhakti.
Dvitiya.
So karta in kartari will take pratama, karma in kartari will take dvitiya. Is it clear?
Mhm.
Yes.
Therefore Ramaha vanam gacchati. Right? Now, you ask a question to the dhatu, the kriyapada. Gacchati. Kaga gacchati? Ramaha gacchati. Right? Kutra gacchati? Vanam gacchati. Now I change Rama to Ramaha. There are many Ramas. Ramaha vanam.
Gachanti.
Many Ramas, they go to vanam. Will vanam change the vachanam? No. Vachanam of the kriyapadam changes in keeping with the vachanam of the karta. If one Rama, then Ramaha gacchati. Ramaha vanam gacchati. If two Ramas, Ramo vanam gacchati. Ramaha vanam gacchanti. Ramaha vanam gacchati, Ramo vanam gacchataha, Ramaha vanam gacchanti. Vanam will not remain as it is. Or if even if you change vanam, Ramaha vanani gacchati, you can say. Doesn't matter. So gacchati and Rama only are connected, right? So
Yes.
the thing pratyaya added to the dhatu, that dhatu brings out the karakarta. Karaka, that karta is what is denoted by the kriyapadam, tinganta. That is what I said. Ting pratyaya brings out the karakarta of the dhatu. Understand? That's what it means.
Yes.
And we have a technical word in Sanskritam. This is important, a word. In fact, there is a sutra. Panini Maharshi uses this word, abhigitam. Abhigita means denoted, expressed. So, kriyapadam denotes what? Karma or karta?
Karta.
Karta. Why I say karta, not karma? Because the change of vachanam of the karta will have influence on the kriyapadam, but not the karma. Ramaha
Yes.
vanani gacchati only. One Rama, even if it goes to many forests, it is gacchati only, not gacchanti, because karma, vanani, many forests are there. It doesn't mean gachanti will come, right? The gacchati, Ramaha. So gacchati, tingantam, kriyapadam denotes karta. So in kartari prayoga, now you see, kartari prayoga, kriyapadam denotes karta, right?
Yes.
What is abhigitam by the kriyapadam? Karta is abhigitam by the kriyapadam. Therefore, in keeping with the vachanam of the karta, the kriyapadam, the vachanam of the kriyapadam, changes, confirms. The vachanam of the kriyapadam conforms to the vachanam of the karta, because karta is abhigitam by the kriyapadam in kartari prayoga. That is why it's called kartari prayoga. Understand? Why it's called kartari prayoga? Karta is abhigitam by the kriyapadam. Now, you see, slowly I build up. Karta is abhigitam, right?
Yes.
I can say abhigita karta. Who is Abhigita? Karta is Abhigita. Abhigita Karta will be in what vibhakti? Prathama vibhakti.
Prathama.
First I said, in Kartari Prayoga, Karta will be in Prathama vibhakti and Karma will be in Dvitiya vibhakti. And Kartari Prayoga, Karta is Abhigitam by the Kriya Padam. Therefore, Abhigita Karta, Prathama vibhakti. You see, slowly I am building up. And
Yes.
Karma is not Abhigitam. Therefore, Anabhigitam, negative, undenoted. Therefore, Kartari Prayoga, Karma would be what? Undenoted. Anabhigitam. Therefore, Anabhigita Karma will be in what vibhakti?
Viti.
Dvitiya vibhakti. This is a rule.
Okay.
Understand?
Yes.
Abhigita Karta will be in Prathama. Anabhigita Karma will be in Dvitiya. If any one of the thing is there, it is Kartari Prayoga only. Suppose Ramaha not there. Vanam Gacchati alone is there. What Prayoga is that? What Prayoga? Suppose Ramaha not there. Just Vanam Gacchati.
Saha.
Huh?
Saha.
What Prayoga is that?
Kartari Prayoga.
It is Kartari Prayoga only. Because Vanam is a place of reach. Not Vana goes. Vana cannot move. A person can go to the forest. Don't
Yes.
think Vanam means Vanam Gacchati. Vane Gacchataha. No. Vanam is Karma. Karta I have not mentioned. Karta I have not mentioned. Vanam Gacchati. There also Karta is there. But Karta is not mentioned. But Anabhigita Karma is there. Anabhigita Karma, Vanam, which is in Dvitiya Vibhakti, therefore the Prayoga is Kartari Prayoga. Similarly, if Vanam is not there, what just the Ramaha Gacchati is there. What Prayoga? Kartari Prayoga only. Why? There's no need to think at all. Ramaha
Yes.
Gacchati, what Prayoga? Kartari Prayoga, because Karta, the Kriya Padam, what is Abhigitam by the Kriya Padam? Karta, and Karta is in Prathama Vibhakti. Abhigita Karta, Prathama Vibhakti, Kartari Prayoga. So in Kartari Prayoga, therefore, Abhigita Karta will be in Prathama Vibhakti, Anabhigita Karma will be in Dvitiya Vibhakti. Understand? If
Yes.
Karta is there, Prathama. If it is not there, we have to supply. Because the Pratyaya, it tells Karta is Ekavachanam or Dvivachanam or Bhagavachanam or Prathama Purusha, Madhyama Purusha, Uttama Purusha, all these information are given by the Pratyaya, right? Titahanti,
Yes.
Sitahata, Mivahamaha. And Karma in Kartari Prayoga has to be Anabhigita. So Anabhigita Karma means it is Kartari Prayoga only. Understand?
Yes.
Only 2 Prayogas we have. And 3, okay, Bhave Prayoga. In Bhave Prayoga, Karma not there. Karta is there, but Karta will be in Tritiya. That is Bhave Prayoga. In
Yes.
Kartari Prayoga, Karta is there. Abhigita Karta, Prathama Vibhakti. See, you remember this thing. What is Abhigitam? Abhigita meaning? Denoted,
Denoted.
expressed, pointed by the Kriya Padam. Abhigita always will be Prathama. Simple. Water may be the Abhigita. In Kartari Prayoga, Karta is Abhigitam, therefore Karta in Prathama Vibhakti. In Karmani Prayoga, Karma is Abhigitam, therefore Karma will be in Prathama Vibhakti. Is it clear?
Yes.
What is Abhigitam will be Prathama. Anabhigitam only. Anabhigitam depends on what it is. If it is Karma, then Dvitiya. If it is Karana, then it is Tritiya. If it is Sampradana, it is Chaturthi. If it is Apadana, Panchami. If it is Adhikarana, Saptami. Understand?
Yes.
Anabhigita Karma, Dvitiya, Anabhigita Karana, Tritiya, Anabhigita Sampradana, Chaturthi, Anabhigita Apadana, Panchami, Anabhigita Adhikarana, Saptami. Understand?
Yes.
So this Abhigita is a very important word, technical word you need to know. Because we have a sutra, Anabhigite, one Adhikar Sutram is there. In the Karaka, we will see all these things in detail.
Okay.
So now what do you understand? In Kartari Prayoga, Karta is Abhigitam. Abhigita Karta will begin
Prathama.
Prathama Vibhakti. And Karma is Abhigitam or Anabhigitam?
Anabhihitam.
Anabhigita karma will begin.
Dvitiya.
Is it clear?
Clear.
Yes.
This is what Kartari Prayoga is. Now you can understand why I said Ting Pratyaya brings out the Kartri Karakata in Kartari Prayoga. Right? Understand? Now Karmani
Yes.
Prayoga. So Abhigitam is denoted, Anabhigitam is undenoted. In Kartari Prayoga, what is denoted? Karta. Therefore, Karta Pratama Vyakti Bhavati. Right?
Yes.
Karta Pratama Vyakto Bhavati. Anabhigita Karma. Therefore, Karma will be in Dvitiya. Now it takes. Rama eats a fruit. Right? This is Kadati. What type of Dhatu? Sakramaka, Akarmaka? Transitive or intransitive?
Transit.
Static karma, right? Not like
Yes.
stand, laughing, or false, right?
Yes.
Kadati. See, now you want to find out the Abhigita. Kadati is. So, Ti. It means it is Parasmaipadi. We know Karmani will be Atmanepadi. Te will be there, right?
Yes.
So, Kadati. Therefore, you ask question, Kaha Kadati? Kadati denotes karta, therefore question is kaha kadati. Kaha or ka or kim, whatever it is. Pullinga, Strillinga, or Napumsakalinga. Kaha kadati. Kadati is ekavachanam. Therefore, the kaha kadati, when I with conviction I ask kaha kadati. In Pratama only I say kaha ka or kim. Because kadati is ekavachanam. Therefore, there should be only one person. Right? Ekavachanam.
Yes.
Not ke kadati. It is doesn't match vachanam. There's no samanadhikaranyam. There's no confirmation between the vachanam of kriyapadam and the karta. Now, kadati, kaha kadati rama. Rama is what is denoted by the kriyapadam. So, abhigita karta, rama. Therefore, ramaha pratama vibhakti. And palam is not abhigita,
Anabhigita.
anabhigita. Therefore, dvitiya. Karta is abhigitam. Rama is karta, abhigita karta. And karma is palam, anabhigita. Now you see the different possibilities. Ramau palam kadataha. Two Rama eats one fruit. Right? What is abhigitam by the Kriya Padam? Ramau, two Ramas. Therefore, Ramau is in Pratama Bhakti. Right?
Yes.
And what is Anabhigita? Karma is Anabhigita. Therefore, Dvitiya Bhakti. Next sentence you see. Ramaha pale kadati. Kadati, the Kriya Padam denotes Ramaha. And Rama is Abhigita Karta, therefore Pratama Bhakti. Rama, how many fruits he eats? Two fruits. Pale, Dvivachanam. Because it is Dvivachanam and it is Dvitiya Bhakti, here does any change happens? No. Here that this Vachanam and the Purusha should match with the Karta because Karta is what is Abhigita, not Karma, right? So Anabhigita
Yes.
Karma will be Dvitiya and Vachanam, it can be anything. That depends on your Vivaksha. Understand?
Correct.
Similarly, Ramaha Palam Kadati, already we saw. Ramo Pale Kadataha. Ramaha Palani Kadati, not Kadanti, because Ramaha is Abhigita, only one Rama, therefore Kadati only. You can see clear, denotion, expression of the Kriya Padam, right? Denoting the Karta. Palani, it is Karma, Anabhigita Karma, therefore Dvitiya Bhakti, and Vachanam is independent. Vachanam depends on your Vivaksha, right? Similarly, Ramaha Palani Kadanti. Here Kadanti is a Bhagavachanam, not because Palani, because of Ramaha, because Ramaha, that is Karta is what is denoted by the Kriya Padam. Therefore, Vachanam should match with the Karta. And Palani, Vachanam need not match. That again depends on Kartuhu Vivaksha, speakers, Vaktuhu Icha, speakers wish, Palani. Now, Agam, take the Uttama Purusha. Agam Palam Kadami. Kadami means it has to be Agam only, right? Because
Yes.
Mipratya tells you it is Uttama Purusha and also Ekavachanam and also present tense. Right? So
Yes.
who is a Karta? Who is Abhigita by the Kriya Padam? Aham, I. And fruit is Anabhigita. Anabhigita, Karma, Palam takes Dvitiya Bhakti. Abhigita, Karta, I. Agam, Pratama Vibhakti. Similarly, Avam Palam, Kadavaha. Why Kadavaha? Because we too. Karta is Abhigitam, therefore Kadavaha. Karma is Anabhigitam, therefore karma is in Dvitiya Vibhakti, and Vachanam is your wish. One fruit or two or many, right? Similarly,
Yes.
Tvam Palam Kadasi, Yuyam Palam Kadasa. You understand, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, in all the above sentences, in keeping with the Vachanam and Purusha of the Karta, the Kriya Padam changes. Therefore, you can see the clear conformity of the Kriya Padam with the Kartru Padam, right?
Yes.
This is what we call technically Ting Samanadikaranyam. Ting Samanadikaranyam. In Vedanta also we use Samanadikaranyam. In Vedanta, Samanadikaranyam is there, remember? Have you studied? There are 4 types of Samanadikaranyam. Bhada Samanadikaranyam, Sarvam Kalu Idam Brahma. When we say this Jagat is Brahma, there is negation of this Jagat as Mithya. Bhada Samanadikaranyam. Agam Brahmasmi, when we say Aikya Samanadikaranyam, Jivatma Paramatma Aikya. Bhagavakya, Akandartha Bodhaka Vakya, Aikya Samanadikaranyam. And third Samanadikaranyam is Visheshana Visheshya. Adjective, substantive have the same Vachanam, same Vibhakti, same gender. Samanadikaranyam between the 2 words when they have the relationship of adjective and the noun. And fourth one is Adhyasa. Adhyasa Adhyastha. Rajuhu Sarpaha. I am Rajuhu Sarpaha. Adhyasa Adhyastha Samanadikaranyam. In Vedanta we use. When we say Jagat, Jagat is not Aikya Samanadikaranyam. Then it's a problem. Huh? Jagat is Bhada Samanadikaranyam. The 3 things are there. Ishvara, Jagat, Jiva. Jagat is resolved to Ishvara. Jagat is negated as Mithya, therefore it is Ishvara. Then Ishvara and Jiva only, the Jiva has to deal only with the Ishvara, because Jagat is Ishvara. Now Jiva and Ishvara are Aikyam, they are not different. Aikya Samanadikaranyam. Agam Brahma Asmi, Tat Tvam Asi. Tat Pratama Bhakti Ekavachanam, Tvam also Pratama Bhakti Ekavachanam. Same Vachanam. Asi Ekavachanam, Kriyapadam, right? Samanadikaranyam. And technically we say Samanadikaranyam, Samana Vyaktikana, Binna Prabhati Nimittana, Samana Vyaktikana, Ekasmin Vishay Tatparyaha, Samanadikaranyam. In Vedanta Sara also you have studied. If you have studied Vedanta Sara, 3 types of Sambandha. Samanadikaranya Sambandha, Vishesha Vishesha Sambandha, Lakshya Lakshana, Bhava Sambandha. Anyway, so for all this you need to know some grammar so that you'll understand what Samanadikaranyam is technically. So this is Ting Samanadikaranyam. Understand?
Yes.
Now, therefore, final conclusion you see. Therefore, in Kartari Prayoga, Karta is Abhigitam. When you say Abhigitam is Abhigitam by the Kriya Padam. And Karma is Anabhigitam. So, Abhigita Karta will be Pratama, Anabhigita Karma will be Dvitiya. That's a rule. In Kartari. That's what I have written. Kartari Prayoga, Kartari Prayoge, Karta Abhigitaha. Right? Abhigita Karta will Pratama Vibhakti. What about Karma? Karma is Anabhigitam. Therefore, Anabhigita Karma will be in Dvitiya Vibhakti. So this is what you have to remember. What about Karmani? Karmani changes. Take the example.
Karmani Prayoga. Yes.
Rama eats a fruit. What will be Karmani Prayoga? Here, which is Karma here? Rama, the Karta, eats Kriyapadam, a fruit. That is the object. In English, it would be if fruit is eaten by Rama. Right?
Yes.
The fruit is, how do you say in Sanskritam?
Palam Ramena Kadyate.
Kadyate. Ramena Palam Kadyate. Now, Kadyate. What Purusha, what Vachanam? It is Prathama Purusha, Eka Vachanam.
Okay.
Right? What does it denote?
Karmani
What does
Prayoga.
it denote? What is maybe Kadyate? That which is eaten. What is
Yes.
eaten? The object is what? Palam. So
Palam.
Palam, which is karma, right?
Yes.
Please don't think because Pratama Vibhakti is the Palam is subject. Palam is not Karta. That is why better don't use the word subject object. Inside better you can use Karta Karma. That is better. sometimes this confusion can happen.
Yes.
Phalam, see, once you say Rama eats a fruit, Rama is karta only. Whether it is karmani prayoga or kartari prayoga, Rama karta is karta. And phala, the object is object, karma only. Okay. So,
Okay.
phala is karma and karma is in Pratama Vibhakti. So, palam kadyate, because kadyate, karmani prayoga, that denotes the karma. Karma is abhigitam by Kriya Padam. Abhigita karma will begin what vibhakti? Pratama Vibhakti. Which prayoga? Karmani prayoga. And what about karta? Karta is not abhigitam. Here it can be Ramena or Ramabhyam or Ramaihi, whatever it may be. Palam kadyate only. Whether it is one
Yes.
Rama, two Rama, many Rama, but only one fruit is eaten by all of them. Or one Rama or two Ramas. Understand?
Yes.
Yes.
So what is abhigitam by Kriya Padam? Karma. Karma is palam, the sentence. So abhigita karma will be in what vibhakti? Pratama vibhakti.
Pratama.
And anabhigita, karta is anabhigita. Anabhigita karta will begin tritiya vibhakti. Understand?
Yes.
So Ramena, when we say, you have to say technically, anabhigita karta. What is that?
The undenoted.
Anabhigita karta, undenoted. Karta who is undenoted will take tritiya. That's why I said, what is denoted will be pratama, what is not denoted will take respective vibhakti. If it is karma, then it is dvitiya. If it is karana, undenoted, tritiya. Understand? Sampradana, chaturthi, like that. So palam is
Yes.
denoted, therefore pratama. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Ramena pale. Pale is dvivachanam. Therefore, kadyete, karmani. Right?
Yes.
What is abhigita? Pale is abhigita, therefore kadyete. In keeping with the abhigita karma, there is vachanam, dvivachanam of the kriya padam. Why not with the ramena? Because it is anabhigita. Understand?
Yes.
Similarly, ramena palani kadyante. Same logic. Why kadyante bhagavachanam? Because it is in keeping with the abhigita karma. Not with karta, because karta is anabhigita. So therefore, we can arrive at this conclusion. As I told before, abhigita, in karmani prayoga, karma is abhigita. Therefore, abhigita is pratama vibhakti, abhigita karma in pratama vibhakti. Understand? Anabhigita
Yes.
will be, anabhigita will be what vibhakti? If it is karta, then it is tritiya. Please note, if it is anabhigita karta, karta cannot take dvitiya vibhakti. Don't make it like that. Ramena only, not Ramam. Understand? It's a rule. Anabhigita karta will be tritiya. Is it clear?
Yes.
So this is a summary. Kartari prayoge, karta pratama vibhakto bhavati. Why? Because karta is abhigita. Kartari prayoge, karma will be in dvitiya vibhakti. Why? Because karma is anabhigita. Karmani prayoge, karma will be in pratama vibhakti because karma is abhigita. And karmani prayoge, karta will be in tritiya because karta is
Anabhigita.
anabhigita. What about other karaka? Karana, sampradana, apadana, adhikarana. All these are whether it is kartari prayoga or karmani prayoga, they are anabhigita only.
Yes.
That is why anabhigita karanam is tritiya. Anabhigita sampradhanam is chaturthi. Anabhigita apadhanam is panchami. Anabhigita adhikarana is saptami. Understand?
Yes.
Suppose there is a word, karanam, karanakaraka word. If it is abhigitam, then it will be pratama. Those things we'll see later. Don't worry about that. This much you know it. Okay.
Okay.
Now in Bhave
Sure.
Prayoga, what happens? There is no karma at all. In Bhave Prayoga, take the example. Ramena palam kadyate. In Bhave Prayoga, palam will not be there, right? Palam is not there. Don't think palam. Okay,
Yes.
palam is not there. So what will be there? Ramena kadyate. And Rama is anabhigita. Therefore,
Anabhigita.
anabhigita karta tritiya. Even Rama also need not be there. Karta also need not be there. Whether it is there or not doesn't make any difference. Kadyate, over. Eaten. What eaten is suppose if we ask. Palam kadyate. When you say palam, it becomes karmani prayoga. Eaten by whom? Ramena kadyate. Palam, if it is not mentioned, then it is bhave prayoga. Pure eating alone is what is denoted by the kriya padam, right? Pure dhatu. That's what I said. Pure dhatu artha. The meaning of the dhatu is what is brought down by the tingantam, ting pratyaya. Understand? This is what in the write-up I have written. Is it clear?
Yes.
This kad dhatu, sakarmaka dhatu, therefore karma and all possible. Suppose if it is patati, ramena patyate only, that karma itself is not possible. Akarmaka dhatu. Right? And the mentioning of the karta is your choice. Karma I cannot take. Therefore, bhave prayoga only, karmani prayoga not possible. For akarmaka dhatu. Is it clear?
Clear.
With this understanding, now you read this, you understand. So, ting pratyas are added to the dhatu to bring out the kartrikara artha and karmakara artha, or just to bring out the dhatu artha. Bhava artha, the meaning of the very dhatu, bad in bhave prayoga. Right? If the tingantam expresses kartrikaraka, then the sentence is kartari prayoga, kartrivachya. In kartrivachya, what happens? Purusha and the vachanam of the tinganta matches with the karta. Is it clear?
Clear.
Okay, then kartari prayoge kartrvachakat. Kartrvachakat. Vachakat, not vachakat. Kartrvachakat. Kartrvachaka, pratama, karmavachaka, dvitiya, vibhakti, bhavati. We know. Karta will take pratama and karma will take dvitiya. Kriya padasya, the vachanam of the kriya padam will be in keeping with vachanam and the purusha. Kartrupadam anusritya, purusha vachane. What is purusha vachane? Purushaha cha, vachanam cha, purusha vachane, dvanda samasa. Purusha means pratama, madhyama, dvitiya, uttama, it is purusha. Vachana means ekavachana, dvivachana, bhagavachana. So purusha and vachana of the kriya padam will be in keeping with the karta. Ramaha kadati, Ramo kadataha, Ramaha kadanti. Understand?
Yes.
If tinganta expresses karma karaka, what prayoga is that? Karmani prayoga. Because karma is abhigitam by the thing pratyaya to the dhatu, therefore karmani prayoga. In karmani prayoga, what happens? Purusha and vachanam depends on the karma. In keeping with the karma, the vachanam would be there for the kriya padam, right? Karmani prayoge, kartavachakat padat tritiya vibhakti. Kartavach, because karta is undenoted, therefore it will take tritiya, and karma vachaka, the karma word will take pratama because it is denoted. Understand? Vachaka
Yes.
means shabda ityartaha. Karma vachaka. Kriya padasya purusha vachane in keeping with karma vacham anusritya, karma vacham or karma padam anusritya, kriya padasya purusha vachane bhavataha. Understand?
Yes.
Why bhavataha in the sentence? Because purusha vachane, this is the pratama vibhakti, dvivachana. Purusha vachane bhavataha. Okay. I hope you understand the sentence. Samskrita vakyani. If the pratyaya expresses only dhatu artha, what prayoga is that? Bhave prayoga, impersonal passive voice. In bhave prayoga, what will happen? Karmani prayoga iva kartrvachakat pada tritiya vibhakti. Because bhave prayoga karma not there. But like a karmani prayoga, kartrvachaka, if karta is there, that will take tritiya vibhakti. Bhave prayoga, it's applicable only to akarmaka dhatu. We know, like patyate, patati, asati, etc. Right? Or it can also be applicable to sakarmaka dhatus also. How? If the speaker doesn't want to mention karma, then it is possible. Like Ramena kadyate. Kadyate kadhatu is sakarmaka dhatu. But I don't want to mention palam. I don't want to mention the karma. So I say Ramena kadyate. Possible. Right?
Yes.
Since neither karta nor karma is involved. Where? In bhave prayoga. Therefore, there is no. See, you have to think. Why Ramena kadyate or ramena patyate. Why? How do you use patyate, kadyate, ekavachanam? It's a basic thing. See, vachanam of the kriyapadam should be in keeping with the karta or karma, right?
Yes.
Ramaha kadati or phalam kadyate, karmani prayoge, right?
Yes.
In bhave prayoge, ramena kadyate. What is denoted by kadyate? Karma. Karma not there. That is why it is bhave prayoga. Then how do you take pratama vibhakti? I mean, ekavachanam. Kadyate. Why not kadyate or kadyante? That is a rule. Because karta or karma is not there. There is no basis for desiring the purusha and vachanam of the kriya padam. Therefore, by default, it will be pratham purusha ekavachanam.
Okay.
Ramena kadyate. Only you have to say. You cannot say ramena kadyate. When you say kadyate, then dvivachanam, when you use karma is understood there. You have to bring in karma. Then it's karmani prayoga. You have to say ramena pale kadyate. You have to say.
Correct.
Kadyate at least you can say. What about patyate? False. Ramena patyate. What karma? Karma not there. Karma not there. And Ramena, suppose karta is also not there. Karta is also your choice. Speaker's wish. Therefore, there is no basis to decide purusha and vachanam of the kriya padam in bhave prayoga. Therefore, by default, it will be prathama purusha ekavachanam.
Understood.
Understand? You need to
Yes.
remember all those things. Okay, all these are basis. That's why I said Tinganta with the elaborate, background we will enter story. It will take some time. So there will be a lot of theory. All these things you need to understand. It's not difficult. Just think, you understand.
Sure.
Okay. So Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam is arbitrarily used in Bhave Prayoga. Right?
Okay.
Okay. I think this is a good introduction. You can slowly we are building up the topic. Then we will enter into the Tingantas. Then Krit Pratyaya. We will see in the next class.
But the Bhava Prayoga, Bhave Prayoga, we still can use Bahovachanam or only
Not possible.
not possible.
How do you use? Not possible.
No, I was thinking like, for example, we say like Jantavaha Kadyante.
Jantavaha is Ekavachanam, Bhagavachanam. Jantuku Jantu, Jantavaha, Pratama Bhakti.
Sorry, yeah. Yes.
You cannot,
Okay.
however you try, you cannot make it, sir. Impossible.
Like if I want to say all beings. Okay, understand. Yes.
Impossible. Impossible. Karma not there, Karta also not ambiguita. Then how would you decide? How can you use Dvivachanam or Bhagavachanam? There is no basis for using Dvivachanam. Therefore, it is given. Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam use.
Yes.
See, Ramena Kadyate. Suppose Rama is not there. I eat. Maya Kadyate. Maya is Uttam Purusha, right? There also Kadyate only. You cannot say Maya Kadyami and all. You cannot use. Maya Kadyate. Tvaya Kadyate. Ramena Kadyate. Ramaiki Kadyate. Then Maya, then you can say Asmadhiki Kadyate. Whatever you can change the vibhakti of, Purusha, the Vachanam of the Anabhigita Karta. Kadyate. Karma not there. Kadyate will be in Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. It cannot have any other Purusha, Purusha or Vachanam. Only Prathama Purusha, only Ekavachanam.
Understood.
Right? Okay.
Nice.
Okay, I'll stop here. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. I appreciate your interest, both of your interest. Watching. Some people may think it's all boring, but the background is required.
For me, very interesting.
For me too. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
As I sent you the class today, sir. If you have not sent Kena Upanishad, Vachaspati.
Okay.
If I by mistake, if I have not sent the class, you can watch in the channel. But anyway,
Yes.
I have sent today. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Dhanyavada.
See you.
Dhanyawad.